Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'm going to do a little experiment to see what stitch patterns use up the most yarn. Using a bit of math, we can calculate the yardage based upon a yarn's weight. 198 grams of this yarn equals 364 yards of yarn. I'm using the same yarn and crochet hook for my samples, plus all my squares are 6 inches by 6 inches to make the test fair. Let's start with the single crochet. The sample weighs about 18 grams. If you go to the online calculator on my website, you can plug in the numbers and find out that this sample of single crochet used about 33 yards of yarn. Let's look at the double crochet stitch. What do you think? More or less yarn than single crochet? At 14 grams, it weighs in less than the single crochet. The same sized sample only used 26 yards of yarn. How about treble crochet? When we weigh this sample, it's only about 12 grams. So this 6 by 6 sample only took 22 yards. This is about 11 yards less than the single crochet stitch. How about the corner to corner stitch pattern made up of double crochet stitches? Must admit this one surprised me since it took only 13 grams of yarn or 24 yards. Despite being made up of double crochet, it used slightly less yarn. Now how about the waffle stitch with all those double crochet post stitches and texture? At 17 grams, it took up only 31 yards of yarn. Still less than the single crochet stitch. So how about the moss stitch, which is made up of single crochet and chains? This weighs in at 15 grams or 28 yards, so it's kind of in the middle. Now how about the granny stitch? This one is made of double crochet stitches organized in groups of 3. This one weighs in at 15 grams too, so it's tied with the moss stitch at 28 yards. How about the shell stitch? This one uses double crochet and some single crochet stitches. It's a very dense texture. As you would expect, it does take up 17 grams of yarn and is tied with the waffle stitch at 31 yards. Are you surprised by the results? To recap, the treble takes the least amount of yarn. The corner to corner takes a bit more. The double crochet takes more. The granny takes even more. The moss stitch and the waffle stitch take more yarn. And the shell takes almost the most. But the single crochet takes the most yarn and is truly a yarn eater.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.